it was a great experience to experience sweet people surround you. Talaga naman po mga kaibigan, napakasarap ng pakiramdam na magkaroon ka ng mga very sweet na mga kaibigan, very thoughtful, and of course, syempre, family members na rin na talaga namang uh, nagmamahal sa inyo ng totoo. Mga kaibigan, this afternoon, I'm going to share to you one of my dish na talaga naman po na binigyan natin siya ng bagong look, bagong flavor na kinaptured natin sa ating traditional sweet. Kaya, diyan lang kayo at panoorin nyo ang ating episode ngayong umagang ito. And I give you an assurance na talagang you're going to love this morning. It's because of this very sweet and very sweet dessert. Mga kaibigan, welcome to Cooking ng Ulam. Ayun mga kaibigan, ang magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Nandito naman po, nalilito ko kung Patricia para naman sa isang napakasarap na umaga ito. Nabibigyan natin kayo ng isang sweet dessert. Pwede niyo po gamitin not only for an extraordinary day, but of course, a special gathering na meron kayo sa ayun. Ayan mga kaibigan ang ating dish for this morning. Ating call it snowy mahal. Mga kaibigan talagang flower sa order. So, pag-iisipan mo talagang stainless with sour cream. At talaga naman binigyan natin ng bagong twist ang ating traditional na after in the life mga ablang. So I need to own this dish. Okay, here is the ingredient for my snowy mahal. We have 4 cups of water. Yan, so 4 cups of water. We have white sugar, 2.5 cups of white sugar. Then we have evaporated milk, ayan, almost 1 cup. Then we have breadcrumbs, bali itinost po natin siya sa ating oven. Pwede rin po siyang tangagin sa inyong fries. Bali ito yung ating alternative para sa yung pinakabudbud, yung coconut craft, yun po ating alternative. Para medyo western style. Then we have, sa nakakita may extra 2 pieces of fresh egg. Then we have corn juice. Then, bali po yung corn kernel, yung pinaka-juice na po, yun po siya galing. Then we have 1 cup of cornstarch. We have pineapple seed. This one is for garnishing. Then we have coconut milk. Ito po yung first extract natin. or pakang gata. Then we have a sweet milk cheese. Nagbibigay ko siya ng ibang lasa sa atin na. Then we have margarine. And of course, Nestle cream. Okay mga kaibigan, naibigay na natin sa inyo ang ating ingredients para sa ating snowy royal. Hindi naman pang royal family. It's for everybody. This portion is going to be Nestle cream, the cream of all time. And kapag gumagamit po kayo ng all-purpose cream, don't forget to use yung Nestle cream for napaka-cream quality. And of course, sour margarine. Sila po ang ating mga official sponsor for this channel. Thank you so much. And Nestle Cream. Ayan, and if you want to catch this recipe, all you need to do is to catch me on Facebook, ating ayan, lahat po ng mga gusto niyo ang recipe from cooking and edition, kaya don't hesitate, just relax and watch and learn. And after that, try sa bahay mo para makakita. Sabi nga nila, cooking is the experience is the great thing. Okay, we proceed now for the procedure. Ayan, mga kaibigan, gagamit po tayo ng isang casserole. Ayan, ang gagawin po natin mga kaibigan is pagkasamasamahin natin almost lahat ng ingredients except yung ating breadcrumbs, pineapple, ayan, and yung ating Nestle cream. Ayan, hindi po natin sila isasama. Kasi sila almost yung mga topping, yung mga garnishing, para maging maganda yung appearance ng ating snowy maaring. Okay, ilagay na natin yung ating 3/4 cup of water. Ayan, yung ating 3/4 cup of water. Then, syempre, so followed with 2.5 cup of white sugar. Then, isusunod natin yung ating buttered milk. Ayan, syempre, isusunod natin yung ating cornstarch. 1 cup of cornstarch. Then, yung ating corn syrup or corn juice. And, of course, yung ating 2 pieces of syrup. And then, yung ating coconut milk. Then, medyo i-stir muna natin. I-stir natin para mag-collaborate lahat yung mga nilagay natin. Kailangan matunaw yung mga sugar. Okay, ayan mga kaibigan. Kung ilalagay na natin yung ating cheese. Ayan. Ayaw matanggal. Ayan, ating sweet milk cheese na magbibigay ng kakaibang flavor sa ating mouth. Yan ang ating margarine. Ating margarine. And then, i-stir it ulit natin para talagang mag-blend lahat ng aking mga nilagay na ingredients. Ayan, so we have remaining ingredients, yung ating toast bread crumbs, pineapple, sweet, and of course, yung Nestle cream. Ilalagay natin siya mamaya afterwards.